ग्रामीण मित्र ही सरकारची खाशेली येवजण. लोकांक घर बसल्या सुविधांचो लाव घेवपाक मेळचो, येवजणेंतल्यान तळागाळांतल्या पावंड्यार पावप हो सरकारचो मुखेल हेत अशें म्हणत हे संकल्पनेची सविस्तर माहिती पर्यटन संचालकान मिडियाक दिली. आयकात ताका.
Whosoever wants any services, they will call our call center, that is 1447, and subsequently they will book the slot for particular any of the to avail any of the government of Goa services. Then based on that, our Gramin Mitra who sits at the call center, then they will reply what are the documents are required for the citizen to avail any particular services. Then accordingly they will book the slot, and our Gramin Mitra will go to their doorstep and they will fill application form, and subsequently after completion of the codal formalities procedure, then they will deliver to the doorsteps. This is the Gramin Mitra concept. Why it has been conceived by Government of Goa? Because we are all aware of that there are some bedridden people and disabled and old citizen and people who can afford and they don't want to come to the government offices. For example, who are employed, they don't get time to visit the government offices. So for them we have notified the rates each and every to avail any particular rate, particular services, what you need to pay. That based on that payment, then they could avail the services, so that Gramin Mitra whosoever is nominated, appointed by the CSCSPVL, they will go to particular citizen and they will deliver to the doorsteps of the citizen. This is the Gramin Mitra concept. So now what is the timings of Gramin Mitra? Now because we are saying that it is useful for the employees, it is useful for the different abled people, it is useful for the bedridden people, it is useful for the employees who doesn't want to come to the government offices. If that is the case, what we did, we have emphasized that it should operation from 8 AM to 8 PM including Saturdays, Sundays, so that whosoever wants to avail the services, so they could avail even on weekends also. That is the objective. Now how many, so after launching the what are the initiatives taken by the government to reach out to the unreachable areas? As I mentioned, it is almost 437 VLS registered across the Goa in our portal. So now we are reaching out to the each and every village talukas and Swayambhurna Mitras especially, because we are all aware of that government of Goa initiated in the lines of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So similar line we have initiated the Swayambhurna Goa. So in the lines we have appointed, government of Goa appointed Swayambhurna Mitra each and every villages, talukas and subsequent district. So our VL is in touch with the Swayambhurna Mitras also. Look, we are going to provide so and so services. So in that way it is propagating to the grassroots level. So that is the link between Gramin Mitra and Swayambhurna Mitras.
So tomorrow live interaction webinar is organized. Okay, and the link of that webinar is this one. The webinar you can propagate on your YouTube, so that every citizen can take benefit of it. Honorable Minister for IT, he will be interacting and he will be explaining more detail about this scheme.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.